Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mothership Earth News. Are you ready to blow your top? I might not have no top to blow. Well, baby, you better blow what you got. Hello, America. Don't touch that dial. You're watching Bear Creek Outfitters. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. That's probably my biggest cat. Well, it's my biggest blue cat. Probably my biggest cat ever. Caught him on with the 808, Zebco 808, the one that man told me he had one of them and a big cat stripped his guts out. Well, that's all right. I still love that old man, and I knew better. I knew that the first liar didn't stand a chance, so I just didn't say nothing. But here's the proof. Zebco strikes again. Long live the dollar boys.